Hello friends, welcome to UGC NET GATE Studios. In this video, we will be discussing a question on operating system which has been asked in June 2020 of the UGC NET exam. So this question is based on translation look aside buffer. This question is based on this concept. Now let's see the question. Consider a single level page table system with the page table stored in the memory. If the heat ratio of the TLB is 80% and it takes 15 nanoseconds to search the TLB and 150 nanoseconds to access the main memory, then what is the effective memory access time in nanoseconds? It has been asked the effective memory access time in nanoseconds. Now, what is TLB? The full form of TLB is translation look aside buffer. Okay, the full form of TLB is translation look aside buffer. A buffer means a small it is a small memory. A buffer is a small memory. So TLB full form is translation look aside buffer. It is generally used to reduce the access time to a memory location. It is generally used to it is to reduce the access time if to access a user memory. So it is generally used translation look aside buffer. So it is asked that it is a single level, mark these terms, a single level page table system with the page table stored in the main memory. If the heat ratio of the TLB is 80%, now we are given heat ratio of TLB, the heat ratio of the translation look aside buffer, it is 80%. Heat ratio means suppose we are searching for an item and we find it. Suppose we are searching for anything in the memory and we find it, then it is a hit, and the opposite is a miss ratio. If the heat ratio is 80%, then the miss ratio, it is 80% the heat ratio, then the miss ratio is 1 minus of 80%, it will be 20%, the miss ratio. If it is in percentage, then it is 100%, 100 minus 80 is 20%, it is the miss ratio of the TLB. This is the heat ratio of the TLB and it is the miss ratio. We have to calculate the miss ratio of the TLB. It takes 15 nanoseconds to search the TLB. So TLB search time is 15 nanoseconds to search the TLB, and main memory access it takes 150 nanoseconds. It is given, and 150 nanoseconds to access the main memory. It has been given there, 150 nanoseconds to access the main memory. Suppose what we are looking for, if it is not found in the TLB, then it will be accessing the main memory. In this case, the access time is 150 nanoseconds. So now coming to what it has been asked, it is asked then what is the effective memory access time. So for such type of question, we have a generalized formula. I am mentioning the formula. Effective memory access time is equal to heat ratio of TLB, then TLB access time, it takes 15 nanoseconds to search the TLB. Okay, that is TLB access time plus main memory access time, okay, plus it is heat ratio, means if we are getting the item and it is found in searching for an item and it is found in the TLB, so heat ratio and TLB access time plus main memory access time plus miss ratio of TLB, it is a generalized formula, into TLB access time plus level plus 1 into main memory access time. Okay, so in this context, this is the formula. You have to remember the formula of effective memory access time. Now heat ratio of TLB, it is 80%. So 80 by 100. See, this is level plus 1 main memory access time level. Here it is given, it is a single level, means level is 1. Okay, now TLB access time. TLB access time is 15 nanosecond, 15 plus main memory access time is 150 nanosecond plus miss ratio of TLB is 20%, 20 by 100, miss ratio of 20%. TLB access time is 15 nanosecond. Level plus 1, level is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Here level 2 into 150 main memory access time. Okay, now if we are solving it, it is 80 by 100 into 165. This is 150 and 15, 165 plus 20 by 100 into, it is 300, 150 2 is 300 plus 15, 350. So striking out zeros, 2 5s are 10 and 5 if you strike it out here, 13, 63, and this is 2 4s are 5, so 33 4s are 132 and this is 63. So it is 195 nanosecond. This is the final answer. In the option there is 195 nanosecond. You can mark it out in the option. So the effective memory access time is 195 nanosecond. See, everything is given in nanoseconds, so we didn't have to convert anything here. So everything is in nanoseconds only. So the final answer is 195 nanoseconds. Hope you like this video. Please do like this video. Please do join our WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. The link has been given in the description box. And say us how could we help you in making more of this kind of videos, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.